What are you doing?
Are you driving? Smile at Mom.
Show me how you drive.
Yeah, show us how you drive the car.
Should Daddy start it?
Grab your wheel, okay? Hold on to your wheel.
Should Daddy start it?
Here we go. Are you ready?
Whoa!
Are you driving? Are you driving the car? Yeah.
You gotta hold on to the wheel though so you don't crash.
Should we go back now? Let's go back.
Whoa!
That's fun. There you go. Huh? Again? You said it was scary. Okay. Grab the wheel though. You gotta drive. Okay?
Whoa, what a good driver. Yeah, what a good driver. Again. Whoa!
All done.
Should Daddy start it?
Should I start it? Should I start it? Turn it on.
The feet are nowhere near the gas pedal.
Did you drive the car? Yeah.
You like that? Can you wave? Wave at Mom. Hey, you. Hi.
Turn it.
Turn it. Go fast. While other children play with slides, ours plays with a dragster.
Other children play with dinky cars. Ours plays with dragsters.
What do you want?
250 horsepower.
You want it off? Are you done?
Turn.